Hey everyone, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com, and I'm back from my trip. Sorry about the delay. One of those caveats of traveling, and it seems like I'm always getting caught up in it. I do apologize, but we're back tonight. 2011 Topps Finest Baseball number 16. It is July 19th, and your sell sheet up on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams owned to least teams owned. Do a quick time check here. It is 9:06 p.m. East Coast time, July 19th. In your box of 2011 Topps Finest. And let's bust into it and see what you guys will get for your finest cards. Again, see how many Braves we can get. I think we've exhausted all Braves out of this product. Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Number 1, number 2. And there's box number 1. And here we go. Zoom out, down just a skosh. First pack up, we've got Espinosa, Mike Trout, Dan Uggla, refractor for the Braves, of course, 549, Pineda and Sanchez, and Danny Duffy, seeing green, Roy Oswalt, and a Jordan Walden autograph green, number 91 out of 199, and a Darwin Barney and Ichiro. And that is going to be the Angels, and that's going to be Jonathan S. Dan Uggla again, regular. Andre Ethier, Matt Kemp, out of 299, Prism or Ice or whatever you want to call it. Brian McCann and Beltre. Konerko, Longoria, Fielder, Gonzalez, and Posey. And Nishioka, Beachy, Sanchez, refractor out of 549, McCutcheon, and Nosey. And Revere, Descalzo, Worth, Gordon, and Brown. Alright. And second box. Looks like orange. Derek Jeter, Verlander, Sergio Santos, orange, numbered out of 99. Sergio Santos again, and Euclid. This might be the hit because it usually follows sequence. Second pack on the other one, second pack on this one. Looks like we've got white. Redemption, maybe. Looks like a redemption. Who could that be? Like Zach Britton? Oh, it could also be Hosmer, too. Alex Cobb and Alexi Ogando. And let's see what we got here. Redemption card. Finest Baseball. Ooh, rookie card, autograph, dual relic gold. Refractor parallel. Eric Hosmer, nice. That's a nice hit right there. For the Royals. Royals down here, Michael. Nice hit for Michael, Zach Britton, and Muzdakis. Zimmerman, Utley, Brandon Belt, 199, Hernandez, and Tulowitzki. David Wright, Hosmer, just dropped it, Jeremy Hellickson, Ellsbury, Cano, sorry, Kimbrel, Markakis, Andre Ethier, 5, ooh, what number was that? 10, number 10 out of 549. And Hamilton, Brett Wallace, and last pack, Torrey Hunter, Delgado, Cliff Lee Finest Moments, Chris Sale, and Jake Miggy. So that is your finest number 16. And no Braves. Surprise, surprise. You got the Walden Green and the sweet Dual Relic Gold Eric Hosmer. So I was right on the redemption. I think Britain, who else? Oh, Aaron Crow's a big one. But that's awesome. I think we got the best one there. And a gold, I don't know what that's out of. Maybe 69, I think. Or 75. Something like that. So that's a really nice hit. All right, guys. Well, number 16 done. Number 17 going to be posted. Thanks for joining. We'll see you back here soon. Take care.